Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got no style, see you on my Instagram. I be rockin'.
What's up, guys? So I'm gonna be making some brownies on Lovely TV channel. So first, I got some eggs, 12 large eggs, and a glass pan, and some olive oil, and a great blue bowl, and some brownie mix. Oh, and I got a spoon. So we're opening the mix. Okay. So now we have to pour it in there. Let's get this thing open. Hard open. Help me. Help me, please. There you go. Look like sand. Get all of it. Waste of money. Trashy goes. So I'm gonna put some eggs in there. I'm gonna put 2 in there right now. Hard to get open. Oh, got 1 egg in there. I think I got this one. Yep, got this one. Put that in the box. Eee, sticky. Gotta wash my hands. Napkins or paper towels. Trash. Here we go. So yeah, my mom ain't got a measuring cup right now, so I'm just gonna have to improvise. She gonna get one later, so I'm gonna put it on a 1/4 of a cup. So I need 1/4 of a cup of water. Okay. Yeah, I think that's too much. I'm gonna pour it out. Put some more in there. Pour it. I'm just gonna pour it in there now. Alright. Now I need to pour 1/4 of a cup of oil in it. Yeah. And pour, I think that's the rest of it, ain't it? Okay, put all of it in it. Get the rest of them drips and drops out. That right there. Pour it in there. Make sure to get all around in it. Yeah. There you go. Oh, and my mama said I gotta clean up as I go. So, they're in the trash. And that box in the trash. So, yeah, now I'm gonna stir it up. In the kitchen, we're cooking like a stir fry. In the kitchen, we're twisting like a stir fry. In the kitchen, we're twisting. I think I need one more egg. Oh yeah, guys, make sure your oven's on 350. Okay, so now I'm done stirring. Now I want to put my batter into the bowl or the pan. So now I'm finna pop this in the oven for 25 minutes.
Go ahead. Put it on the stove.
That's how they turned out. Alright, so guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't, I'ma eat your fries. Peace.